Hey YouTube, R here. I'm just walking down to check, make sure nothing has like everything's kind of starting to turn loose, and I just want to make sure that. Hold on a second. That's a deer. I don't know if y'all can see that. It's gonna run off here in a second as soon as it hears me. See if we get close to it. We'll just check this out. I can't believe it hadn't run yet. I hope y'all can see it. Oh, I'm losing battery. I don't know if you can see it. We're gonna get a little closer and I'm gonna try not to fall in here. Hold on. Oh yeah. You can see how frozen everything's been, starting to turn loose. Let's see if we can get close to this deer without it running. Oh, there's a whole bunch of 1, 2, 3, 4. I hope I got that. And I think I did. All right. Anyway, we had 2 more babies today, and the mom's gonna take care of them. We're gonna go double check one, but everything should be good. Tomorrow, we're gonna build a pen for that little goats that we're bottle feeding, and so I'll probably get some footage of that. Not on the head cam, of course, because I don't want you to throw up. But anyway, I will get back at you. I'm about to run out of battery. Anyway, please like and subscribe. And I'm going to throw, I probably won't put this up tonight. It'll probably be later. But anyway, have a good night. Bye. YouTube, as you can see, they are out and about. These are, I guess, about a week old. I don't know, I have to look. Just having a good old time. Hey Beach, how you doing, huh? Hey YouTube, R. Mom and baby are doing good. We will be trying to get the baby we took in last night back on her. She just didn't take it. I don't know if she thinks it's sick or if we brought it in and threw her off, but we're gonna try again at least a couple more times because she should take it back. We will find out. Anyway, if we get them back together, I'll film it and tell you about it. So, all right, y'all have a good day. Hey YouTube, R here. The goats are just soaking up the sun. They are so happy. They're all yawning. I bet they all sleep all day just because they can. Anyway, just wanted to kind of show everybody what's going on. I should give you an update on this mom over here. Everybody's sunning. We brought the babies back this morning to this mom. She was having some issues, passed basically an aborted baby last night, so she would have had triplets, but it wasn't even formed right. It was very premature, and she seems to be okay. She's walking a little gingerly, and she may just be really sore. We're gonna keep an eye on her, but she seems to have gotten everything out of her system. If not, we'll be taking her to the vet Monday or so. Anyway, we'll see. She seems to be fine, not in any pain or anything. Her babies are they're relaxing with a full stomach. Let's see if I can zoom in on that. Yeah, both babies are there. Anyway, just want to give an update. I'll probably have some more stuff to throw with this to make it. This will be added on to something else, I guess, actually. leading up to today. So anyway, please like and subscribe. I'll get back at you. Bye. Also want to throw this in there. Here's Hank. He still loves me, even though I ran over him. He's got, you can see, he's got a gash on his foot, gash on his other hind leg, and got a few little battle scars. But honestly, I don't know if he's just sore and it makes him be a more relaxed dog or what, but seems to be a better dog after the incident. Now, with that being said, I'm not advocating running over your dog to make him a less hyperactive dog. Not at all, so don't take that the wrong way. I'm just saying he seems to be more relaxed, so we'll see if that holds up once he gets back to 100%. Got a little hitch in his step when he walks, but he's still playing and fighting with Gus and doing what he normally does, just not at the same ferocity that he normally does. So I'll get better. I can get a good view of them. Those are the two main areas. Anyway, I'll get back at you.